So I have this problem that frame is undefined in geometry node and in blender 3.02. So how can I do this? First of all, come shift A. Okay, shift A, or come here, search value, add this node. So now please add this thing. She control alt and press this she frame, and then connect this value to this and now play. You see it's moving. So this is done with this node. So this is group import multiply. So multiply and then use this node. Okay, curve line with this configuration, resample, set a spline type, and this one. I will put the file in GitHub. So I think it will help you. Thank you.